Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday. Today I am bringing you a little bit of a different video. You are coming along with us on a vlog to Who Farm. I did book Who Farm last Wednesday, I think it was. I did actually try to get tickets for Chester Zoo, but it actually fully sold out. This weekend and next weekend is fully booked. So just a word of advice, if you are trying to book there, it seems like you have to do it well in advance. So I did some research of other places where we could go. There's places like Twycross Zoo, Dudley Zoo, but we have visited those already. So the next thing that came up was Who Farm, which is in Telford. It's not too far away from us, it's about an hour in the car. It had 5 stars from obviously adults visiting and obviously from children enjoying it too. So yeah, so we've booked there. We are going there for 2:30. It is now 11 o'clock. I am going to prepare a picnic for us. I've been shopping this morning to Asda, picked all of the sandwiches and little nibbly bits ready for a picnic, trying to make a cute day out of it. The weather is okay today. I have popped on this dress from Primark that I did get. It's like a cream kind of gingham style kind of dress. I am liking it, but obviously if I do get a bit chilly I probably will get changed. Obviously the weather's so unpredictable at the minute. Sun shines out but it's absolutely freezing outside, so I may get changed. But other than that, I hope you enjoy our vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all soon.
In 100 yards, you will have reached your destination. Your destination is on the left.
My own map.
Right, so if we go this way, look, that's where we are. We're going which way?
Where are we?
Do you want to go this way?
Yeah.
We'll go this way first, innit? And then we'll go that way.
This way. What is it?
What is it, Maya?
Monty and Bud.
Oh.
Maya, what's over here?
Oh, look. How small they are. No monkeys.
Oh, there is.
Look, there's one up there as well. There's 2 of them up there.
Yeah, Mommy.
It's tiny.
Mom is there.
Yeah, I just scratch you.
They're little baby monkeys, aren't they?
Has he got balls to play with? Like in the ball pit? What's he eating?
They're called a marmoset.
What's he got? Why has he got a bug?
I think it's a ladybug.
What's it eating?
A bug.
Ah.
What are those eggs doing over there?
Should we take him home? He's cute.
It's a little grumpy though, don't they? Okay, look at this one.
Oh my god.
Spying on us. Look, Maya.
Noise.
He's still busy eating.
On that. Do you want to have a go? Maya, do you want to have a go?
You wanna go? Yeah?
I found my purse.
Hold it. Whoa! You have to get the pirate at the top. Get that pirate there. Get him. Get another pirate. blue pirate. Get on this one. Oh, you can't get it. Get the skull.
Do you have any food to the animals?
Oh yeah, not yet. We need to find out where the animals are. Oh, what's that bird standing over there? That's a big duck. I've never seen a duck that big.
Oi. Is that the noisy one?
Hey. Hey.
He's gonna come attack us here.
Oh, they're all coming. I'm to evacuate. Hey.
Ducks! What the ducks do, girl? Quack, quack.
Twins.
Look at that little baby duck.
These are nocturnal animals.
That means they only come out at night. You have to look in there. What are they?
Bush baby? Bush-tailed
I
possum.
can't see. I can't see them.
Can't see them, babes.
They're hiding.
I don't think they're in there. Ooh, what's
They're
in,
awake at night.
what's in here?
There's still nothing.
Oh, there's something.
What?
I don't know.
Ah, that looks cute. What's that?
Lock the window.
I think it's a baby Joey.
Hey, this is chilling, man.
I need to see his face.
I think it's a baby Joey.
A baby Joey?
Yeah.
Do you know what a Joey is?
Yeah.
What?
It's a baby kangaroo.
It is, well done. I don't think it's a kangaroo though.
It looks weird, doesn't it?
It's like a cat.
Well, oh yeah, there's another one there. It's walking around. Good spot, Maya.
Look on that side, then you see it.
He's gone on this side now. There he is, behind the bush. Oh, he's coming.
Oh.
Two of them.
Dad! They're looking for food.
I've never seen one of those in my
I
life.
ain't either. They look kind of weird, don't they?
They look like cats, but flashlight.
Yeah.
Possum, maybe?
Going back on that side now.
What's in here? Hawks.
It's a bird, falcon.
Maya? Oh, you found an owl? Show him, Mr. Owl. Look at the hawk.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh yeah, I can see him. A snow. Maya, what do you reckon he eats? What do you reckon he eats? Oh, he's gonna fly.
Whoa. Massive wings. See how big his wings were?
I think he's mad.
He's one big bird, isn't it?
I think he wants to get out.
I agree.
Maybe because he's maybe fly out.
I think he's had a disagreement with his friend down here in the corner.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. Down here.
I think he put him in timeout because he did something to the other one.
Do you reckon he's in timeout?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. I don't know, but there's some sort of an enclosure.
Woods.
I found otters.
Look, let's go around here. You
Come on,
see?
You'll see.
Come on. See through the window. What can you see? Come here, you'll be better be down here.
You can see it.
Come this side. We'll see.
I see the face.
You saw his face.
Look, I already saw it.
They've been eating oysters
Oysters.
or clams. Look, you can see it.
Okay.
What the noise he's making? It's set another shell.
It's full on the shell.
Yeah, look, do you know them things on the floor? You see them clams?
Not the contents.
Mommy, look at fox. Look at fox.
No, he's breaking it.
Look at fox.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Hello, Mr. Fox.
It's a white
I
one.
think he was limping.
He's not.
Is he not?
He's just lying down.
He's tired.
No, I see the move.
From March to July, foxes and then mold. They're lifted around it.
I saw it move. Look, there's another one over there.
Oh, I
Where?
can see an orange one over
Oh
there.
yeah, and there's one sleeping on the shed.
Oh, a black one.
Even an orange one.
We like foxes, don't we?
They do look scary, but they're not bad.
They're not bad.
No, but they do look scary, but they're not bad.
Oh, how do you know?
Because
He's fed up.
Tired.
He's fed up.
They're all sleeping. Oh look.
Porcupine.
look, did you see
No, it's
something?
not. It's the meerkat.
Meerkat.
Everything in there.
Oh, he's cute.
There's one that's digging in there. The other ones went in the hole.
Where are they digging to?
Hey, look, the other ones in like that big hole over there. Look.
Why are these ones different? They've got slender tails.
Slightly
And
different.
that looks like the box of home box. That black box looks like the home box.
What's he doing? He's going inside the box.
Look what he's doing. We get stuck.
And
Maybe there's food in there.
Yeah, I think they probably hide the food. Just make it a bit more interesting for them.
Ready to come down?
Oh, look. Oh. Put it on your hand like this, and he'll eat it from your hand. They don't fight it, they just eat it. Come on. Come here. Yeah, do you want some more in your hand? Come here. Come here.
that's good. Do you want some more?
Hey.
Put your hand inside and that's it.
Yeah.
You got hand sanitizer?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, they've got some here anyway. Yeah, you do it, Maya.
Just make sure your hand's flat like this.
Go on. Get some more in your hand.
You don't want to do it?
Yeah, why is there dead bugs in it?
I don't know, bro, just use it.
Maybe because I like poured into it.
Yeah.
Right, come on then.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's go look at the wolves.
Wolves. You see
Can
him?
you see it?
You see him under the shelter.
Is it like
Oh,
the
the
big
inside
bad
it.
wolf story?
Yeah, like the big bad wolves.
Also, it is a fox.
Yeah, it's kind of like a fox, but a bit different.
He's saying the wolf challenged him for dominance. They're inside.
Oh, they're doing experience?
Yeah.
Is it a wolf?
Yeah, it's a wolf.
I didn't know that you could be inside with a wolf there.
You changed your mind, or do you want to do it?
Oh, look, there's one there.
Look, Mr. Wolf's coming.
It's gonna come eat ya.
Be a good girl.
Just it's gonna get me now.
Dinosaur time. Spooky. Is it real? Do you like it? Your face. What's it for breakfast? Oh, lunch. Bye, Dinosaur.
And me and Toad.
Oh my, I wonder if the dinosaurs are going to pop out.
Oh, it's a bit spooky around here.
Oh my goodness, don't talk about ice cream around here.
Look, there's a little kid running away from the kid.
Ah, it says dinosaurs like kids.
I'm scared of it. You don't want to get closer?
You being a chicken?
You have to get out the Jurassic World first, man. They don't want to come, do they, Maya? Oh, you can walk through that bit. That's why they have it open. It's not suitable for push chairs.
I'd hate to push a pushchair on here. Can you see the something?
Hedgehog.
What animals is this?
The hedgerow.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, babes.
Yes.
Come on then.
Tell us the way, Mrs. Sohan.
Can you spot evidence of birds? Look down. Why am I looking down? Where's Maya gone? You're walking backwards. Hi guys. Sorry that I had to stop filming. Halfway through Who Farm, my phone battery decided to go. Probably my fault for not taking a phone bank with me, but I've never vlogged on this phone for that long before, so I've never really known what the battery life would be like. But definitely know for next time. But other than that, we've had an amazing day at Who Farm. Definitely recommend. I think in total I paid about £50, obviously for 2 adults and 1 child. We did take all our food with us in a picnic bag, so I don't really know how much food and drink costs when you get there. I would say it's for children who are like toddlers up until the age around about 8 or 10, as there's not really that much to do. Like there's no amusement rides or anything like that for them. I know you can actually book experience days there, which we did kind of see while we're walking around. There was a few families who were like in the wolf enclosure, and there was another one in like a monkey enclosure sort of thing. I don't really know what animal it was. It kind of looked like a monkey, but it wasn't a monkey. I think think the experience days are about £100 each. It is all on their website and they do look really fun from what I have seen and witnessed today. I think children have to be over the age of 6 or 8 to obviously take part, but that's definitely something what looks cool and would recommend. But yeah, so it's been a really fun day. When I did start recording, it was at the point where we'd sat down for our picnic. We ate at the children's play area. There was loads of benches, the sun was shining, so much going on around there. There was ponies, there was, like I say, a play area, a little calf, ice cream, all that fun stuff. But all in all, we've had a really fun day, so definitely recommend. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll all see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.